In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a widget on a monday.com dashboard. To get started, open your monday.com dashboard and make sure you're on the exact dashboard where you want the new widget to appear. This is important because widgets are added directly to the dashboard you're currently viewing, so taking a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place can save you time later. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Add Widget. This will open the widget library where monday.com gives you several options depending on what you want to display. Widgets can help you visualize data, track progress, monitor workloads, or highlight important updates. So the one you choose should match the kind of information you want this dashboard to show. Next, choose the widget you want to add. As you browse, think about the purpose of the dashboard and how this widget will support it. For example, some widgets are better for charts and summaries, while others are designed for timelines, calendars, or numbers. Picking the right widget at this stage makes the rest of the setup much easier. After selecting the widget, connect it to the correct board. This step is what allows the widget to pull in the data it needs. If you work with multiple boards, be careful to choose the one that contains the information you actually want to track. A widget may look empty or incorrect if it's linked to the wrong board, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Then, configure the widget settings. This is where you customize how the information appears and behaves. Depending on the widget, you may be able to choose which columns to display, how data is grouped, what time range is shown, or which metrics are highlighted. Take your time here because these settings determine how useful and readable the widget will be once it's live on the dashboard. When the setup looks right, adjust the widget size and position. You can resize it so the content is easy to read and move it into a spot that fits well with the rest of the dashboard layout. A clean arrangement helps the dashboard feel more organized and makes key information easier to find at a glance. Finally, save your changes and review the dashboard. Look over the widget to make sure it's displaying the correct data, the layout feels balanced, and everything appears the way you intended. If needed, make small adjustments before finishing. And that's how to add and set up a widget on a monday.com dashboard.